Hello friends, we are back again with our English grammar tutorials. So here we are on class number 55. We are dealing with possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. You remember that, no? Possessive adjectives followed by noun. This is my book. So this is adjective, is a noun. Possessive shows possession also, no? Then second one is we have seen this book is mine. So that is pronoun, means possessive pronoun, nothing follows, right? Okay, very good. So here you got like that, you have got this is your book, this book is yours, this is our book, this book is ours, this is his book, this book is his, this is her book, this book is hers, this is its food, this food is its. No. You have to say this is dog's food, this food is dog's. The dog's, yes. This is dog's food and this food is the dog's. You have to repeat it. There is no its as pronoun. Understand? You are going to possessive adjective but not pronoun. Alright. So then we also saw that this is these are their books, these books are theirs. You have seen these things very clearly, and now what we have to do is we saw the difference between its and its. What is the difference? It apostrophe s means it is. If you say it is equal to it is. See, you can say it's raining, means it is raining. But when you say its, this is possessive adjective, not pronoun. That's only a possessive adjective for it, no apostrophe. Remember, we don't use apostrophes for possessive showing possession or possessive adjectives. We don't use, but there is an exception. And what is that? That is about one. You know that one, that impersonal one, or general is one. For example, we say that one has to stand on one's own legs. So this is possessive pronoun, but you are using apostrophe. Apostrophe is used with one possessive pronoun. Understand? Sorry, possessive adjective. So one has to stand on one's own legs, because you cannot stand on somebody else's leg. It's not possible, isn't it? You can kick somebody else's leg, but not stand. Understand? Yes. Or you can say like this, earn oneself by one's own efforts. See that? One's own, one's, apostrophe. Why apostrophe? Because there is one. No other place you will find apostrophe in possessive. Of course, nouns you have. Tom apostrophe is toms, Ashok apostrophe is Ashok. But not possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives don't have, except one. This one. And one also used without apostrophe, then the meaning changes. And here again, one has two meanings. Once. For example, when you say once in these sentences we saw, that is, that persons. One has to stand on one's own leg. One has to sit on one's own leg. One has to walk on one's own legs. One has to climb on one's own legs. I am repeating this so that it becomes clear to you. But then there is another, see, that is one apostrophe s means one is. It also could mean one is. Listen, one is. See? You can say like this. So pronoun and this is possessive pronoun. Here it means one's is. Like it's. It apostrophe s is it is. Understand? Yes. One is to stand on one's own leg. You can write like this. One is to stand on one's own legs. So this one is equal to one is two. Listen, all those sentences that I made. One is to sit on one's own legs. One is to climb on one's own. One is. Clear? Alright? Fine, very good. So, one possessive adjective, one apostrophe also means one is. Listen, one is. One is. One is. Or it could also be one has. One apostrophe, one has. One has to look after oneself. One has to look after oneself. One apostrophe is. One has. One has. You say? One has to look after oneself. That means you have to look after yourself. One has to look after oneself. One is to stand on one's leg. One is to climb on one's leg. One is to swim on one's hands and legs. Right. Alright, very good. So that's one. Then some other meanings are there for one. When you have got just without apostrophe, ones means examples. Ones means examples. See, these ones, please do these ones first. Teacher will say. The teacher gives you 5 problems and then he said, please do these ones first. First two. These ones means these examples. Understand? Or then you can see the ones in column number 2. The ones in column number 2. So, do these ones. Do these ones. The ones in column number 2. Column number 2. The ones. The ones in column number 2. Then you have got another expression, right ones. Right ones. So please take the right ones. Old ones. Say. Old ones. Old ones means old people also. Right ones also means right people. All the right ones died. Then that means all the old people died. It's very old, 150 and so on. Not 70 something. They are not old. Who told they are old? And then right ones. Old ones. I like old ones. Means what? Old things. So like you have got what is that? You have old coins. Old coins and so on. Old coins. That's old ones. Right ones. Do these ones. The ones in column number 1. So these are without apostrophe. They are plural of 1. Listen. The simple word, but you have got alright, once again I will do this one. Word 1 is 1 apostrophe s is possessive adjective. Okay. Then that's first one. Second is once. Could mean one is, one has. Okay, one is, one has. Third, without apostrophe, that is once, examples, people, fruits, and so on. Old ones, Old ones, old people. Old ones, old things. Old, these ones, these examples. These ones, these things. These right ones, yes. Right ones, right fruits. Right ones, right fruits, and so on. All of it. Now you have got a problem. Not a problem. It's an interesting thing for us. Suppose we get a mix, what do you do? A mix, there are three options. Mixing. So two persons. See, you have got as to Ashok and Laila. So where will you put the apostrophe? If you consider it as one unit, apostrophe is on the second. Ashok and Laila's house. They are husband and wife, and they are only one, they are together as one unit. Ashok and Laila's children. Ashok and Laila's shopping complex. Because it is there. Two, but the last one takes because there is the single unit. So if it is a single unit, second one. That's the point. Single unit. Second one. Suppose the same thing can be separate. No? They are friends. So you can say, if it is separate, what will you do? You say Ashok's and Laila's. Ashok's and Laila's cars. Ashok's and Laila's cars. If each one has a car. Ashok's and Laila's hairstyle. Ashok's and Laila's hairstyle. Very simple. You cannot expect the hairstyle of a girl for the hairstyle of a, would never be like the hairstyle of a man. So it's separate. So both are. Suppose you get a mix, say like this, you have got this inside like this. Ashok, Laila, and mine. What do you do? It's a mix, no? So you have got Ashok or Laila, and then you have got mine. So in this case, what do you do is Ashok, Laila's, and mine. Second one, Ashok, Laila's, and mine. But of course, it is to be considered to be a single unit. Ashok, Laila's, and mine holidays. Holidays are during April and May. Holidays are in April and May. Alright? So that's the thing, mixing. They have got a pronoun mix like this. Ashok, Laila's, and mine. So what you do is do it on the second. The possession you show. Possession you show by apostrophe is on the second. So this is how you do. And you have got it. When you have got this mix like this. Alright? Single unit, last one. Separate each one. Or mix like this, the second one. Or the one just before the possessive pronoun. Alright. Clear to you? Okay, fine. Thank you for listening. Have a nice time. Enjoy.